So this is question number 14.4 solution, and in this question it is asked that in an unbiased p-n junction, hole diffuses from p region to n region because free electrons in the n region attracts them. No, that is not the case. It is mainly happen because of concentration difference. Concentration difference between p and n junction, right? So mainly the concentration difference, concentration gradient that is present there is responsible for the transfer of p, the holes diffusion from p region to n region because of that concentration difference. So p region has high hole concentration, so holes naturally diffuse from n to n region from the p region, right? So that happens here. That is only because of concentration gradient. And actually in real, the electric field here that is present is actually opposes the diffusion that occurs from of hole from p region to n region. So it is not the case. B is not the right option, A is not the right option. C, the whole concentration in p region is more as compared to n region. So because of the concentration difference of this, the hole moves from p region to n region, right? So all of the A is not also not correct. So the main reason is concentration difference in the p region and n region of holes, right?